Alright guys, so what I want to do is just quickly show you what some of you guys came up with. Alright, so this was, which group was this one? Okay, and who was your city? This is New York. Can you see that on the graph there? Okay, so you can see it goes up, down like that. They came up with their amplitude, their period. If they want 12 months, they did 2 pi over b, and they said equal 12. They got pi over 6. For their phase shift, they got 4.5, and then this was their midline, 59.75. Nice job, New York. Then we went to, who are you guys? Hiram? Canada. This was the equation they came up with. There's going to be some similarities, like the B value will be the same, and theirs was also phase shift of about 4. Now, why is Buenos Aires different? Theirs doesn't look like all the other ones. How come? There you go. Their hemispheres are opposite. Now, Josh, you came up with a good thing here. Why didn't you choose to do sine? So he actually represented his with a cosine graph so that he didn't have to, because if he wanted to do the phase shift, he would have had to come all the way over to here. Because remember, sine goes up from the midline. If we just went to here, it's going down, and that would be like a negative sign. So the point with all of this is, guys, we can represent data with a sine wave. Now, we're not going to have time to go over this example here, but could you do another Ferris wheel one on your own? Yes, let me just talk about this one real quick. There's going to be one like this on your homework. This is a spring with a weight on it. So what I do is I take this spring and I get it to this point and I let go. And what's going to happen? The weight's going to pull it down, but then what happens? This spring pulls it back up, and then it just kind of repeats and repeats and repeats. Does that make a sine wave? Now, could you use those same skills to figure out the maximum height, the minimum height, and come up with the amplitude and all that fun stuff? Yeah, and the period would just be how long it takes to go through one cycle. On your homework, there's only like 4 problems. So I want you to try them out, and then come back with questions. When do I see you again? I don't think I see you until Tuesday. You don't have school Monday, right? Wait, Monday's an 8A. So I won't see you until Wednesday, so we go a whole week. We're going to review Wednesday, and then you're testing Friday, so please make sure you do your homework so that you're ready for your test if you need help come after school. All right, thanks, guys.